everyone, this is Jigyasa, your physics expert, and today we are going to discuss human eye. Human eye works on refraction of light and its resolution is 576 megapixel. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape, having a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. Let's have at the main parts of human eye. So first part we have cornea. This cornea is the front part of the eye. It is made up of transparent substance and it is bulging outwards. This is the outermost membrane at which most of the refraction takes place. Most of refraction takes place at the cornea. Just behind this cornea is the iris. This iris, which is a flat colored ring shaped membrane, it actually controls the amount of light entering in the eye. It controls the amount of light. There is a hole in the middle of the iris which is called pupil. Pupil opens and closes to regulate and control the amount of light. कितनी amount of light जानी चाहिए, enter करनी चाहिए, वो pupil के open और close होने से जाती है. Next we have aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. The space between this cornea and the eye lens. This is the eye lens. This is the eye lens. The space between the cornea and the eye lens is filled with a watery liquid which is known as aqueous humor. And the main function of aqueous humor is to provide nutrients to the eye lens and the cornea. Actually, it nourishes the eye lens, or it provides power to the cornea. Next we have crystalline lens. Crystalline lens. It is a convex lens made up of transparent, soft and flexible material like a jelly made up of proteins. It helps to focus light onto retina. Next we have ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles are the muscles which hold, these are the muscles which hold the eye lens. Hold the eye lens. Next we have retina. This retina is a screen on which image is formed. It consists of large number of cells known as rods and cones. Rods are light sensitive cells and cones are color sensitive cells. Next we have optic nerves. These are the nerves which take the image to the brain in the form of electrical signal. Take image to brain in form of electrical signals. And last but not the least, we have vitreous humor. It is the space between this eyelens and the retina. Space between the eyelens and the retina is filled with a jelly-like substance which is known as vitreous humor. This vitreous humor actually provides the eye with its form and shape. Provides the eye with its form and shape. This is all the functions of human eye. Hope you all might have understood the structure and functioning of human eye very clearly. Thank you.